Hi friend, good morning. Don't forget you are the AK100 engineer on your computer. Today I want to show you that how to remove a power chips. This is a power Dell Experience 5789. The system has getting problem because of we are missing charger. The charger has burned the system. If you look at very well, the power chips have been burned. This is a raw station. I want to use this raw station to remove power chips. Don't forget you are an AAK100 engineer on your computer. If you want to more information how to repair your system, how to replace your system hardware and software, subscribe my channel at YouTube. Wonderful. If you look at very well, has using a workstation machine to remove the power chips. So we want to go ahead to check power, and then we are replacement the power. Don't forget to subscribe my channel at YouTube. Right in your computer and then subscribe. So if you have a more information on how to repair your system, and if you have a problem with your video, you can try to comment and respond your comment by the grace of God. So now I want to go ahead to the check another motherboard to check is, if you look at very well, this is a raw station machine. If you look at very well, raw station has blowing, this is blowing. If you use raw station to blow your IC, and then you can remove your any chips. This is a system Dell Experience. We are missing a charger. We are using a different charger, and then the system has born. So we want to go ahead to check another motherboard to check a power. If you look at very well, the power has been getting problem. The power has failed. I want to show you the power has already spoiled. If you look at very well, that is back. If you look at very well, I want to zoom in the pictures. So if you look at very well, the power has been already has born. So I want to go to find another motherboard. Look at very well. This is a HP mini motherboard. So I want to check power, if the power came to the same supply. So I want to try to convert the power. Let me check the power IC number and IC size. So there's many chips supplied. If you look at very well, this is a next power supplier. Sorry, power has fallen down. I want to carry the power. Okay, I want to come to the check the power. If the power is the same, so you can check the number, and then you check the size by size, and then you count replacement. By the grace of God, your system has been working well. Don't forget you are the AAK100 engineer on your computer. You subscribe my channel at YouTube, right on your computer, and then subscribe. So I want to turn the back of the system. Because of the power has not detected, have not the same sizes or differences. I want to check the backs. Okay, I want to see the power, the same power. I want to go to use the raw station machine to remove the power. If you look at very well, this is a power of this system. I want to come to check the power of the system. I want to remove the power, and then to go to the replacement the power. This power has been detected. There's the same size and the same number. So if you look at very well, there is many numbers. So I want to come to remove the power chips. I want to use workstation. I want to go to use workstation. I want to use the workstation. Don't forget you are an AAK100 engineer on your computer. You can subscribe my channel at YouTube. If you have any problem with your video, you can contact me at YouTube description. Comment, write your problem. Like if you write your comment, submit, respond your comment. So I want to remove the power chips. I want to go the next Dell. Let's go next Dell's experience to replacement the chips. I want to go to replacement the chips. I want to drop the dice chips before. This is a dice one. I want to take. So I want to come to fix the next video. The next video we are having at least 20 or 30 videos. We wanted to show people how to start a computer engineering from beginning. We have a classes. We are drop a classes the next video. If you have, so I want to use a workstation machine. I want to use workstation machine to remove the power. So don't forget you are an AK100 engineer at your computer. The way you are, the way to, or you have a problem there. If you want to put the IC chips, no matter how you get compatible place and compatible property, because of some time if you do mistake, the board has been damaged. So if you wanted to change the IC, if you look at very well, I has tried to check the IC chips. If you look at very well, don't forget you are the AK100 engineering and your computer. Subscribe my channel at YouTube. Today I want to go to show you the coupling the system. I want to go to coupling the system. So already we are trying to make it the system is working. We are trying to change the chips. So let's will couple the system and then we can test the power chips. If you look at very well, we are remove the power chips and then we are replacement. Next, I want to go to text the video. I want to go text the motherboard. I want to use the carcass because of there is many carcass. I want to use the carcass. I want to use the carcass. I want to come to tie to the system. I want to come to tie to the system. So before you are coupling the system, no matter how to get at least text the system first. So I want to use the carcass to text the motherboard if the motherboard has been powering. So I want to test the screen before I want to couple it, because of some time if you couple the system there are so many problems before you can start. So I want to use the carcass I want to use the carcass and the charging points. If we text the system is working, one is the system is working, I want to come to the next. I want to come to the next to text the screen. When I test the screen before I couple the system, because of some time when we are doing work, it goes out of text the work, and then there is many small problem there. And then before you are couple the system, no matter how text the motherboard. Don't forget you are an AK100 engineering and a computer. If you have a more information, if you have a more problem at your system, hardware and software, you can contact me at YouTube or contact me at WhatsApp. Don't forget that I have at least 3 groups. If you know that, if you enter the description of this channel, has already get at least 3 groups. There is a computer engineering practical. If you have to how to lining a computer engineering practically, you can go direct to click the links. You can enter the group directly. So I want to go to the charging point. When I push in the charging point, I come to test the system, and then when I test the system, so I want to couple it. Now I can't couple the system. I want to test the system before because of problem. Don't forget subscribe and like my video to share